Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of America. My name is Al, Adam Nwu's former neighbor and acquaintance. And one day when I was working as a security foreman at the Contemporary Walkway, I got to talking to Adam about just Coke. And because he loved Coke, I love Coke. So he told me all about what's called a farmer's Coke. Never heard anything about it. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how Adam taught me how to make a farmer's Coke. So stay tuned. So the ingredients to make a farmer's Coke are really simple. You just need either a 20-ounce bottle of Coke or a glass bottle of Coke and some salted peanuts. And the way this snack started was, it's called a farmer's Coke because back in the day, the farmers didn't want to get their hands dirty while they were working in the field. They just wanted a quick snack. So let me show you how this is done. So the first thing you gotta do is open up the Coke and drink a little bit of the Coke to about that point right there. And the next thing is, you pour in the salted peanuts. So once you pour in the salted peanuts, this is how it's going to look. Now, another person who loves to have these Cokes like this is Adam's father, Jim. I have a picture of when Adam's friend Justin came down to take care of Adam's final resting and all that. They went to Burger King in St. Cloud, and Jim had the Diet Coke and Justin had the regular Coke, and this is what they did. They put it right in here like this. And what you're talking about, what this does is, it's a nice mixture of salty, it's the salt and the sugar mixed together, much like how people put pretzels on ice cream. It's the same kind of thing. And when you do it, you want to, not leave them in there too long because it gets mushy. But I just poured these in, and I'm going to give these a try. Let's see. So I'm not even kidding. This is literally, I'm a guy who loves Coke. This is literally the first time I'm ever trying this. I've never tried this, never practiced it. This is literally the first time. So hold on. Let's give this a shot here. I could see how this could be an acquired taste. It's a little different for me. I'm such a hardcore Coke person. I've tapered off it drastically. But this is an amazing thing. You definitely get the salt and the sugar in there. And you could literally see how you could be working with this. Some people call it a miner's Coke because the same thing with the miners. They didn't want to stop and wash their hands and all that. So it's either called a farmer's Coke or a miner's Coke. But I'm dead serious the whole time. I've been drinking Coke my entire life. So that's 60 years. Well, I don't know when I had my first Coke, probably when I was like 3 or 4. I even have a stain on my leg that apparently when I was in the carriage, somehow Coke fell on my leg. And somehow, I don't know how it happened, but my mother, to the day she died, swore that Coke had fell on my leg, and I was walking in the sun all day to a theme park or something in the carriage, and the Coke just kind of tattooed into my leg. I don't know. But anyway, I have never heard my entire life in Brooklyn of a farmer's Coke or a miner's Coke. Something we never did. Now, we always sampled with stuff as little kids and stuff, but we never tried that. But this is totally different, and it's very unique, and I really suggest you try it. It's just a whole different thing. And as I say, I wanted to do this because having known Adam as an acquaintance, living in Celebration as a neighbor, having seen him at Disney coming through, he had told me this, God, it was about maybe, I don't know, I'm trying to guess the year it was. It was probably 2019 maybe. And he was walking through the Contemporary Walkway, and I just, I stopped to talk to him as I always did, say hello to him. And it was a hot day, and he's, I could go for a farmer's Coke. And I was like, farmer's Coke, what's that? And he told me how to do it, told me how to make it. I've never made it, never tried it. And, since he's passed, I just thought it was a nice little homage to try to do. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope I educated you a little bit on it. And next time you're at a gas station or at home or whatever, just try yourself a farmer's Coke or a miner's Coke. It's something very different. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.